part of morphology of flowering plant is the parts of flower. Parts of flower, the shallow part or stem part of flower. The branch is known as pedicel. The shallow part is known as thalamus, and the green leafy part is known as calyx or commonly known as sepal. And the other colorful part is known as corolla or petal. And the female part of flower is gynoecium, and gynoecium including three parts: stigma, style, and ovum. Stigma, style, and ovary including is gynoecium, and it's a reproductive female part of the plant. And the other part, it's androecium. Androecium, it's a male reproductive part of plant, and including the upper granulated part is known as anther, and the filamentous plant part of androecium is filament, and both including anther and filament is also known as stamen. You know stamen. And the next point is the calyx, arrangement of calyx and corolla in the flower part or a lower base part of on the thalamus. The calyx, it's known as two most important terms related to plant family. First is gamosepalous and second is polycephalous. And यही टर्म पेटल के केस में भी यूज किया जाता है, और वहां पर गेमोपेटलस कहते हैं यूनाइटेड कंडीशन में, और पॉलीपेटलस कहते हैं फ्री कंडीशन में. अब यूनाइटेड कंडीशन क्या है? मीन्स लोअर पार्ट, यू नो द चाइना रोज, इट्स अ bell like structure, green bell like structure. It's known as united or a gamosepalous. Means united. And in other cases like this, totally green leafy part detached easily is known as free petals or free sepals or a poly, the main botanical term polycephalus. Understand? Sepal are in case of petal. इसी में भी इसको यूज करते हैं, और उसमें अगर वो फ्यूज्ड है तो यूनाइटेड है, या फ्यूज है तो उसको गेमोसेप्लस, और अगर फ्री है तो पॉलीसेप्लस या पॉलीपेटलस. एंड द अदर टर्म इज एस्टिवेशन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म रिलेटेड टू एग्जामिनेशन पर्पस. एंड एस्टिवेशन इज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पेटल्स और सेपल्स. Arrangement of petals on the thalamus region, and the petals arranged in a linear way. It's known as valvate. The valvate estivation, number 1. Number 2, twisted estivation. Number 3, imbricate. And number 4, vexillary. 4 type of estivation means arrangement of calyx or corolla. It's known as it's a 4 type. First, valvate. Valvate means सारे flowers का arrangement. Valvate means continuous way में, one petal attached to the another and next another, then arrange in a linear way, a cyclic form. It's a one way. Example, Calotropis. You know Calotropis? It's commonly known as Madar. And the other is second, twisted. Twisted estivation. Four are mostly relate alternately, but one overlapped one side. Three and other side upper region. Oh no, sorry. Means twisted, alternate, overlap, one by one. एक कार्नर ओवरलैप्ड होगा दूसरे से, ठीक है. लाइक दिस इट्स नोन एज रोज. इन केस ऑफ रोज एंड चाइना रोज, गुड़हल में भी देख सकते हैं और गुलाब में भी देख सकते हैं इस केस को. एंड थर्ड वन इज गुलमोहर. इन केस ऑफ गुलमोहर थर्ड इज इम्ब्रिकेट. इम्ब्रिकेट एस्टिवेशन में जो करोला होता है उसके एक करोला का बोथ हैंड ओवरलैप्ड होता है और सारे अरेंज होते हैं ट्विस्टेड फॉर्म में. Understand? And next, in case of tea plant में first larger, you know, butterfly like beans flower and pulses flower. It's an example of vexillary estivation. And first is standard large petals, second wing like petals detached, and third keel. It's a very smallest and fused in center. And next, understand? And third, androecium. Types of androecium means male part of flower is androecium, and on the basis of arrangement or on the structurally different types. First, adequate. Adequate means the middle part of filament. It's attached to the middle region is known as adequate. And adequate example, nicotiana. Nicotiana means tobacco. And the other basifixed means is anther bilobe structure and arranged. The lower filament attached to the lower part means fixed with the basifix, basal region attachment of the is filament. In case of mustard, next dorsofixed, dorsal and ventral side, back side and anterior side, and the back side the attachment of the filament is known as dorsofixed. In case of citrus, नींबू के केस में. And fourth, versatile. Versatile, the long anther sac, elongated, tube-like, and then middle region attached to the filament. And in case of wheat, grasses, and bougainvillea, etc. And next is types of gynoecium. Gynoecium, on the basis of structure, it's two types, apocarpus and syncarpus. Apocarpus, more than one carpel is present. They may be free. Means apocarpus, gynoecium are freely attached. Example, lotus and rose. And syncarpus, carpel are fused. Example, mustard and tomato.